double click on the image file and then you have to accept it. That is, allow the app to make changes in the device. You have to go for install. It will get installed, and next run Raspberry Pi Imager. You have to choose the device. Here I am going to choose Raspberry Pi 5, which is the device I want to use, and choose operating system. I am going to use Raspberry Pi operating system 64-bit. Then choose storage device. I am using the mass storage device, that is the 128 GB micro SD card, which I have inserted in the card reader. Then go next. Would you like to apply OS customization? I'll just see what the settings are. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to give no. Then it says all existing data on mass storage device USB device will be erased. Do you want to continue? I don't have any data on the device, so I can safely say yes. So it is preparing to writing 0%. %. Now it has reached 99% of the writing and it is verifying. The process of writing to the micro SD card took about 7 minutes, and next was verifying. Verifying process took another 5 minutes. Now I have taken the micro SD card from the SD card reader connected to the laptop and inserted into the Raspberry Pi 5 in the micro SD card slot on the under surface. You can see the card there. I'll zoom out and show you. You can read 128 there. I have connected the systems together. This is the 27-watt power supply, and this is the HDMI cable going to the HDMI monitor. This is the micro HDMI to HDMI adapter, and the power supply is coming to the USB Type-C port of the Raspberry Pi 5. I have not switched on the power supply. I will now switch it on. Now the power supply has been switched on. Initially the LED transiently lit up in red color, and now it is seen as green. You can see the LED lit up here, and you can also see the screen here. Now you can see the welcome screen from Raspberry Pi on the HDMI monitor. Before you start using it, there are a few things to set up. Please press next to get started. To auto-pair a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, please restart now by disconnecting and reconnecting the power cable. But I am not going to do that now. I have connected a mouse to one of the USB ports, not the USB-C, the standard USB ports. With the mouse in place, I am going to click next. Now enter the details of your location. This is to set up things Now I am going to change it. I am not in United States, I am in India. I have not connected a keyboard, otherwise I could have just typed in I and got away. I have chosen my location, India. Language, my language is not that. I'll choose English as the language. Time zone is Kolkata, and that's same. I'm going to choose use English language, use English keyboard, then next. It is setting up location. Now I have to type in user account, username and password. For that I need a keyboard, so I have connected a keyboard as well to another USB port. Now I have typed in the username and password, and characters of the password have been hidden. If you want, you can unclick and show it, but I don't want to do that here. And next, I have not connected any network, so I'll be skipping that. Both Chromium and Firefox web browsers are pre-installed on Raspberry Pi OS, and I'll choose the default as Chromium. It will be similar to Chrome. I'm also using Firefox occasionally in other places, but let me see. And the operating system and applications will now be checked and updated if necessary. This may involve a large download, but then I am not connected to internet, so I am not doing that. I am going to skip it. Now Raspberry Pi is now set up and ready to go. Press restart to restart your Pi, so the new settings will take effect. I am going to restart. Restarting. I have installed Raspberry Pi 5 with the operating system. Now I'll have to experiment with it more. This is my Raspberry Pi 5 on the new operating system being displayed on an HDMI monitor.